Proteins are one of the most important nutrients that a person needs, as they have a major role in building, repairing, and preserving muscle tissue and cells. And therefore, they are necessary for growth and formation of red and white blood cells. And they are one of the components of enzymes and hormones necessary to regulate vital body processes. In addition to that, it contributes to providing the body with energy when the body's reserves of carbohydrates and fats are depleted. Proteins are composed of nitrogen-containing molecules called amino acids, as these amino acids bind with each other to form different types of proteins. For example, the haemoglobin molecule consists of a bond of 287 amino acids. There are about 20 types of amino acids, including 9 essential amino acids that the body can produce on its own and can't function without them. It should be noted that when a person eats proteins, enzymes and acids in our digestive system interact with them and convert them into amino acids. Proteins are divided into two basic groups. The first one is animal proteins, which we get from milk, eggs, meat, fish, and birds. And the second one is plant proteins, such as rice, lentils, and beans. And the main difference between these two groups is that animal proteins contain all the 9 essential amino acids, while plant proteins may lack some of them, but this lack of amino acids can be compensated by mixing these foods, such as eating rice with lentils or rice with beans, and therefore the person gets all the 9 essential amino acids. Be to remember, proteins have a major role in building, repairing, and preserving muscle tissue and cells.